Welcome viewers, today we're going to change the battery on the Suzuki Baleno. Yes, I bit the bullet and decided to buy a brand new one. So before we start, we've got to take out the two transport bungs that are in the side of the battery, then we can put onto the vehicle. So this is a very simple job. So what tools do we need? 8mm spanner, a 10mm spanner, and if you wish you can put some dielectric grease on the terminals at the end. So all we're going to do is loosen those terminal clamps. They're held on with 10mm nuts, and what you're going to do is take off the black one first. Speed it up so it makes it quicker, and then you're going to take off the red one. The bracket in the middle is held on with 8mm nuts, and you just need to loosen those and you'll be able to move the bracket itself just to the side. So just bear in mind, whenever you remove a battery or even disconnect it, you're going to start losing electronics information. So for this model, it seems to be held in memory for about half an hour, and you just need to reset the clock. But obviously for other makes and models, check the manufacturer's guidance. So once you've got the new battery in place, just put the bracket back in position and retighten the bolts. There's a very thin thread on the securing bolts, so just be very careful not to strip it. You can then put the terminal connectors back on. Obviously put the red one on first and then put the negative terminal back on. Again, tighten them but not too tight. So just to finish it off, we can add a dab of dielectric grease. This is grease that doesn't conduct electricity. So I'm using silicone grease for this, but obviously whatever you're going to use, check that it's got dielectric properties and it's suitable for this application. So job done. Very easy. So if you've liked the video, please remember to like and subscribe, and if you've got any comments, please add them below. Thank you for watching.